In this video, I will show you how to set up a multi-panel using Ticketforge. To get started, head over to the Ticketforge dashboard. You'll find the link in the description below. Next, click the Login button up in the top right corner and hit Authorize. Then select your Discord server. Once you are on the panels page, you can either create a multi-panel from a template. Just click the Create New Panel button, type Hub into the search bar, and find the multi-panel you want to use. Check the configuration and follow the configuration steps. The other way is creating a multi-panel from panels we already have. Let's say we want to make a multi-panel with general support as the main panel. Click the three dots in the top right corner of the panel card, then click Convert to Multi-Panel. This will open up a conversion modal. Here you can select if you want multiple buttons or a drop-down. Now let's connect some panels. Open the Attach Existing Panels drop-down and select the panels you want to connect. I will connect all four. If you want to switch to a drop-down, just click the drop-down menu button. You can add descriptions to the connected panels if you want, and then click the Convert Now button. If you would ever like to add or remove any connected panels, click the Attach Existing Panel button. Here you can adjust all settings regarding multi-panels exactly to your liking. Now to see it in action, let's go send it to Discord. Hit the back button, click the Send to Discord button, select your support channel and hit Send. Let's head over to the Discord server and open the support channel we just sent the panel to. Here, your users can easily see and interact with all of your support options in one central place, completely eliminating any extra overhead or channel clutter. As for customizing the connected and main panels, that works exactly like any normal single panel. For all useful links, check the description and happy ticketing.